Urban CO, Adani Power, GlassWala Systems, LG Electronics, Infosys, Amanta Healthcare, and defense stocks in positive news. Urban Company IPO to launch this week. Check price band, latest GMP, key dates and reviews. Urban Company are set to hit Dalal Street for a price band between Rs 98 to 103 apiece to raise a total of Rs 1,900 crore. Its primary stake sale, which include a fresh share sale Rs 472 crore and an offer for sale OFS of Rs 1,428 crore. Urban Company IPO has a lot size of 145 equity shares. Anchor book details will be announced on Tuesday, September 9. The Urban Company IPO is opening on Wednesday, September 10. The issue will close for bidding Friday, September 12. Adani Power shares rise 6% on Rs 6,000 crore deal for Bhutan project. More details. Adani Power shares rose over 6% on Monday after the Adani Group firm inked a shareholders agreement with Bhutan's state-owned utility Druk Green Power Corporation Ltd DGPC. Adani Power stock climbed 6.46% to Rs 649.20 on BSE. Mumbai-based GlassWall Systems files draft IPO papers with SEBI. Proceeds from the fresh issue will be used to fund capital expenditure of Rs 50 crore for setting up a glass processing unit at the company's Vilbagad, Maharashtra facility, as part of its backward integration project. The IPO consists of a fresh issue of equity shares worth Rs 60 crore and an offer for sale OFS of up to 40,234,552 shares by promoters. A portion of the issue will be reserved for eligible employees, who will also receive a discount. DLG Electronics to launch Rs 15,000 crore India IPO in October 2025, report. LG Electronics India IPO. LG Electronics is set to launch a 15,000 crore IPO in India, starting October, offering 10.2 crore shares. Summary. LG Electronics targets 15,000 crore IPO in India this October. The IPO will offer 15% stake, about 10.2 crore shares. Market delays pushed IPO from April-May 2025 to October. The South Korean conglomerate will offer 15% of its local arm, equivalent to 10.2 crore shares. E6 defense stocks jump up to 11% after Ministry of Defense unveils 15-year defense roadmap. Synopsis: India's 15-year defense roadmap boosted investor confidence, lifting defense stocks by up to 11% on Monday, with a focus on advanced technologies and large-scale military acquisitions across the Army and Navy. On September 5, the Ministry of Defense unveiled its long-term acquisition strategy in a document titled the Technology Vision and Capability Roadmap. The multi-decade plan outlines procurement requirements worth several $100 billion, detailing the capabilities and quantities needed by India's armed forces over the next 15 years. The roadmap includes advanced technologies such as nuclear propulsion for surface ships, next-generation tanks, stealth unmanned combat aerial vehicles UCAVs, hypersonic missiles, laser-based weapons, and a wide array of drone and anti-drone systems. Following the top defense stock gainers during Monday's trading session on the government's 15-year defense roadmap, 1 Bharat Electronics Limited, 2 Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, 3 Cochin Shipyard Limited, 4 Unimec Aerospace and Manufacturing Limited, 5 Data Patterns India, 6 Scient DLM Limited. Infosys buyback, IT stocks on a roll, rise for first time in 6 sessions. IT stocks were the top gainers in early deals on Tuesday on news that Infosys would consider a proposal for buyback of equity shares on September 11, 2025. Amanta Healthcare shares list at 7% premium, HNI bidders make Rs 15,000 profit on debut. Amanta Healthcare sold its shares in the price band of Rs 120 to 126 apiece, which could be applied for a minimum of 119 shares and its multiples to raise Rs 126 crore between September 1 to 3. The stock was listed at Rs 135 on NSE. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.